Making the right pivot for your life at the right time can be one of the best decisions that you've ever done. Too many times people think once they start down a path, they have to continue on it relentlessly and doing the same thing, getting the same results. Well, sometime there comes a point in life where you can pivot, and that pivot can change everything for you. Whether you have to downsize to a different car, whether you need to upgrade to a different car, whether you need to switch your job, whether you need to switch out your healthy habits. There are some things that you have to do at pivotal moments in your life, and there's nothing wrong with making the right pivot. I want to talk about my case specifically. As you guys know, man, I cover finances, personal well-being, motivation, cars, everything on my channel, right? That's why we're called Shields Media, right? And I didn't used to do this sort of content. I used to do a different sort of content that was more based on like reactions and things of that nature and all of that sort of stuff. Well, you know what? I decided to pivot. I decided to take my content and my channel in a different direction. And some people may not be happy with that. Part of pivoting means that you have to do what you have to do for yourself. You have to do what's necessary for you and your specific journey. You cannot worry about the naysayers of yesteryear. You cannot worry about the naysayers of tomorrow. You cannot worry about what your best friends may say. You cannot worry about what your family may say. Your closest ones will support you no matter which pivot you make that's in a positive direction for the season and journey that you are in your life. Clearly, if there's something that we're about to embark upon that may be detrimental to our health, detrimental to our well-being, detrimental to our mental state, detrimental to our financial state, then of course we will want our loved ones and our friends to sort of intervene and help us out and help steer us back on the right course. But if it's a pivot that you believe will get you closer to the best version of yourself, to the season of yourself that you need to be in, then by all means, you cannot look around for everyone's approval and opinion. You have got to just get going. When it came to my channel, man, I sat dormant on this channel for almost 2 years, probably a year and closer to 10 months, right? I wasn't doing anything with this channel. And every day I wake up, I have a brand new comment from somebody who's either talking about cars or finances, about how this channel has helped them. Someone just said that my content so far on this channel is something that they really love consuming, because when they get on YouTube, they see my face. Hopefully I'm smiling and hopefully I'm not having one of my serious thumbnails, but they see my face and my videos are in a way able to help them brighten up their day. But see, I would have never reached this point if I had always been seeking the validation of even perhaps my older audience. Shout out to my older audience. I love you guys. I love the ones who still support me with everything that I do. Sometimes you get caught up in trying to validate and take care of everybody and you know, please everyone. But there's a point in your life where you have to make the pivot that's necessary for you. Guys, listen. This channel would still be dead if I was doing the same thing I was doing before I pivoted into this finance / automobile / motivation niche. I would be doing the same thing. It was reactionary content where I would react to music, doing this. I would give great insight, and it got me closer to my audience. It got me closer to a lot of amazing people. But I just started to feel unfulfilled. I started to feel like maybe I have a crutch in between me and the message that I want to put out there to my community, to my channel. And I feel like that crutch was the reactions. Those were dependent on other people. They were dependent on artists or entertainers who could provide a source of like a template for the video. And I wanted to take the middleman out, so to speak. I wanted to focus on something that I could offer to my audience and offer directly to the people who come into contact with my channel and my videos. So I got rid of that, and I don't want to go back to that anytime soon. And I'm telling you guys this story because there will come a point in time where you have to make a pivot that a lot of people may or may not agree with. But if it's the most beneficial thing for you, you've got to do what you've got to do. This permeates into all areas of life. Whether we're talking about cars, whether we're talking about fitness, whether we're talking about health, whether we're talking about finances and money, you have got to do the pivot that's necessary for you. If you just got a pretty crucial health diagnosis, you need to pivot immediately, because now that is your entire well-being and the entirety of your life depending on you making that pivot and turning that corner to a different avenue. When it comes to cars, you guys know that I love my 99 Camry. It was a decision to downgrade, or not really downgrade, but in most people's eyes, when you go from a later year car, like let's just say a 2007 to a 99, it's seen as like a downgrade. But I knew what I had to do for my specific situation to be in the position that I wanted to be in. So I took the pivot to go get an older car per se, whereas most people would be like, hey, you know, maybe you shouldn't have went that old, or maybe you shouldn't have did it like that, or maybe you should do it like this, or maybe you should do it like that. Well, at a certain junction, you've got to do what you've got to do, what makes sense for you. So sometimes taking a risky pivot can be one of the most beneficial things you've ever done for your entire life. This comes with money too. Most people may think that just using their credit cards all the time, this is just the way life is, man. This is how it goes. This is what you got to do. But then when you make that stark contrast to say, hey, I'm not using that anymore. I'm not doing this anymore. I'm not living my life like this anymore. I want to turn the corner to a better tomorrow. Well, then you put the credit card away, or you cut them up in some cases. You get rid of them. You stop using them. You start using your cash. You start saving your cash. And what do you know? Your life has changed. I say all this to say, thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for giving my pivot a chance. Thank you for allowing me to express a different area and avenue of myself that didn't require a third-party substance to be present. I can't tell you guys how grateful I am for I don't care if it's small views. I don't care if it's 1 like, 2 like, 3 like, 50 like, 100,000 likes. Thank all of you for the likes. Thank you even more so for the comments, because I try to get to as many comments as I can, but I have a lot. You guys mean a lot to me, man. And I wanted to let my loyal people like Jared, Alaska, some of my other OGs out there, all you guys always commenting on my videos, man, and just encouraging me to keep going. It really, really means a lot. So that's why I'm making this video, to encourage you to keep going. Make that pivot if you need to. Don't get lost in the sauce. Make the pivots that you've got to make. How can you do that? Well, make it a stark contrast starting today. What can you do today that will clearly mark a different direction in your life? Whatever situation you may be in, what can you do right here today to determine, hey, this is where I'm turning the corner. This is where I'm taking control of the wheel and I'm making the next turn. That's what it means to pivot. And again, doing it with my channel was not easy. This was not easy, man. I'm really making this as a gratitude video. I don't know if you're new here. If you're new here, welcome, subscribe. But this is mostly for the people who are watching my content right now. When I talk about cars, when I talk about money, I mean, who knew that I would even have a small audience in this field? I'm so grateful for that, man. So do what you got to do. No knock against my older audience. I love y'all too. I love y'all forever. But everybody obviously didn't come over and rock with me in this new area of my life. And life is like that sometime. Life is like that sometime. Everybody did not come over and rock with me as I did something that was needed for me and for myself. I don't have the same viewership that I have. I don't have the same people. But new doors unlock new audiences. So God bless you guys. Thank you for blessing me with your support and your watch and your views. I'll continue to talk about these topics that have been giving me good traction, because I'm passionate about these topics, because I believe it can really help a lot of people. God bless you guys. Thank you for supporting me. Peace.